Welcome back to the Fadhili Family YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing our content to your network. For the Premier Gang, thank you so much for being here, and I look forward to showing you how I make my homemade Bhajias. So for the ingredients, I will need 1 teaspoonful of turmeric, 1 teaspoonful of garlic, 1 teaspoonful of cumin. Seasoning, I have salt here. I have my gram flour, fresh coriander, sunflower oil, my thinly sliced potatoes. So let's get down onto mixing the ingredients. Start by first putting our gram flour onto a small bowl like that. And then I will spice this. So I'll first add 1 teaspoonful of turmeric, then 1 teaspoonful of garlic powder, and cumin seeds, again 1 teaspoonful. Then give this a good mix. So I'll put this aside and take my potatoes, which I will now season with table salt. Remember, my potatoes are thinly sliced and rinsed. You can toss like this so that the salt can spread evenly. So once you're done with this, add about 2 tablespoonfuls of the garam mixture onto your potatoes. Like that, and mix. Then I will add my fresh coriander onto the thinly sliced potatoes. And then give this a good mix. Make sure that the potatoes have blended in with the coriander. Like that. So the next step, you remember we had made the garam flour and mixed it with the spices. So I'll make a thick paste out of this. And I will do this by adding some water onto this flour. So gradually add your water. So I'll mix my paste. So add water gradually so that the mixture is not runny. Remember, we want it to be thick and not runny. as it will be used to hold the bhajias. So my paste is well blended in, so I'll go ahead and add this paste onto the potatoes. And as I do this, I will give the potatoes a good mix so that they can hold onto the garam paste. And so I will allow my potatoes to sit for about 25 minutes before I can fry them on a pan. So I have heated my oil in a pan, and to test whether my oil is hot enough, I normally use a wooden spoon. And as you can see, my oil is hot enough for frying. You may also let me know how you test your oil to be sure that it's hot enough for frying. So I'll go ahead and put in my potatoes that have been resting in the bhajia flour for the last 25 minutes. So be sure not to overcrowd your pan. And as they brown, you can keep turning them to ensure that they cook on either side. So the first batch is ready. I'll go ahead and remove them. I'll put them in a bowl with a kitchen towel so that we can drain off the excess oil.
you're lonely. Someone else out there feels just like you. Go outside and be kind to a stranger. Watch what happens every time you do. Yeah. Can you feel it? Can you feel the love? Can you feel it? Can you feel the
Make sure you drain off as much oil as possible. So thank you for watching until this far. I hope you've remembered to like, to share the video, and to subscribe for those of us who have not. And be sure to try this recipe at home. It's a quick fix, and especially when your kids are at home and you need something to snack. And gram flour is readily available in our supermarkets and can be found where they put the flour and wheat section.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.